Hello traders, how was the day today? First of all, I'm sorry I could not post the update video or any of the expectation video yesterday night. My computer actually crashed. My trading PC crashed. So caveat here, if you are thinking about getting a Dell system, think thrice before you click on that buy button. I have had real bad experience with Dell over the last 3 years. And finally I just gave up on them. That system is just going to the trash. Let us now get back to the chart. While we were looking at the news bar today morning, we saw the news bar happen, and then we had a follow through as well. That itself was telling me that we are not going to go down. However, the idea was, if we can break down the news bar, we can come to this area, somewhere in this area or somewhere in this green box, and then we can bounce from there and keep going up. So the other plan that we had was that the market may get into a trading range mode if we break down this particular news bar and then we fail to get above that. Or otherwise, if the 7-0 breaks down, we can come to the 6-3, the 6-2 area, which was a very good support yesterday. And we had a lot of transactions that happened here. And if we get below that, we can get to 50. And after that, we can actually come to this 38 to 40 area once again. So those were the plans that we had in the morning. And now let us see how it played out. However, we did not even break down the close of the news bar. We came below it, but we did not find any follow through after that, and it kept going. This was the 930 bar, and I actually bought 50% of this 930 bar when the price came down here. So I bought the 50% of bar 1 when bar 2 actually came down, and I was looking at 20 points from the bottom of bar 1, and I exited this trade at 5421, and immediately the market started dumping from here. This is where the RTH gap was starting, so we got rejected at the gap, but I was not interested in selling here because first of all, the follow through candle had a long wick, so I was thinking that let it get a wedge bottom, and then let us see if we get a good second entry long and we can enter there. This is where the second entry long came at 1035. I entered above this at 5413, and my first exit was again here at 5422, and then I was thinking we can go and hit 5430, and when 5430 came, I was out of this trade. Now at this point, we had this trend line on the top. This was from the 4 hours as well, and that was making me think whether we can still go up. However, we went up, we pulled back again. There was an attempt to sell below that, but the bears were unsuccessful. The bulls again picked it up. They tried to come down here again, took support here. I again went long at 5432, this area 5432, 5433. So once I entered here, my first target was 5445, where the RTH gap ends. That is where I took my first profit, and I was holding on to my runner, but I came out of the runner below this bar when this bar got extended. Now once we saw this big red bar, I was not interested to go long again here, but then if you look at this candle, you see this flat top candle. This is where the momentum started, and when this candle formed, I was actually thinking that we will get 20 points above this. So I was looking at the 58 to the 60 area. So I went long above this candle again, looking at the bounce from the bottom of this candle with a kind of a double bottom here. I went long around 5445 again, and then again my first exit was at 50. I was holding on to a runner to see whether it can get to the 60, but this candle actually shook my confidence right there, and I came out of all my contracts right here. So those were all the trades that we took today. We did not try to short because it was in a kind of a squeeze mode. We had a spike, we had a channel, we had a spike again, which did a back test of the bottom of the spike, and then we channeled up. We did not get to the 58 to the 60 area that I was expecting, but yeah, that is how the market behaves, right? It does not give you what you were expecting. So you have to make sure that you are getting the most of out of the market while it is still there, and not let a profitable trade turn red. So that is all I have for now. For the daily update, I will come back with the expectations for tomorrow in some time today evening. And if you are liking the content of these videos, please like, share, comment on the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the notification icon. In the description below, you will find the link to our free Discord server as well as the Facebook page. You are very welcome to join there. I will end this video here today, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.